Hello my dear students, welcome back to Appa Public School online session. I am Rashmi. I teach environmental science subject for class 1. So children, this is the second video of chapter number 10, our neighborhood. In the previous video, I explained this chapter, our neighborhood, and today we will do some exercise related to this chapter. Okay children, let's start. Children, as you can see here, what is this? Yes, the area around our home is our neighborhood. Repeat with me. The area around our home is our neighborhood. Then, see, you can see here post office, playground, market, school, police station, and many more in our neighborhood. Children, why do we need these places in our neighborhood? Let's see. Okay. First one is hospital. H O S P I T A L. Hospital. Why do we need hospital in our neighborhood? Yes. Why do we need this hospital in our neighborhood? Yes. When we get hurt or fall ill, we go to the hospital. The doctors and nurses cure us with medicines and injections. What is this? Hospital. Good. Next. School. Yes. C H O L. School. Why do we need this place, children? See here. School. Why do we need this place in our neighborhood? Yes. We go to learn new things in the school. School is the most important neighborhood place. We can learn new things. Teachers teach us to read, write, and play. We also learn good manners and good habits in the school. Next. Third one, park. P A R K. Park. Every neighborhood has a park. See here, children. Every neighborhood has a park where people go to walk, play, and relax. Okay. Next. Fourth one. P O L I C E. Police. S T A T I O N. Police station. Why do we need this police station in our neighborhood? Can you see this picture? Police station. When we are in trouble, we call the police. They guard our neighborhood and keep our lives and belongings safe. Children, as you can see, they control the crowd during fairs, festivals? Yes or no? Yes. The traffic policeman controls the traffic on the road. Children, remember, we should follow traffic rules to prevent accidents. Next neighborhood place, market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Sorry, fifth one. Market. Every neighborhood has a market. There are many shops in the market. We buy things like vegetables, fruits, then toys, clothes, and many more things from the market. Market is usually a busy place. Yes or no? Have you went to the market, children, with your parents? Okay. Then, sixth one. Post office. P-O-S-T, post office. O-F-I-C-E, post office. Why do we need this post office in our neighborhood, children? We can buy stamps, postcards, envelopes, etc. from the post office. Children, we can also send letters, telegrams, etc. to our friends and relatives through post office. We can also send money from one place to another by money orders through post office. Okay. Next one is bank. B-A-N-K, bank. Why do we need this bank in our neighborhood, children? Yes, we keep money and jewelry in a bank. It will be safe, children. And we can also take them out whenever we need. Nowadays, we are having ATMs. Yes or no? We can take money from an ATM anytime and anywhere. Bank. Then, eighth one, bus station. B-U-S, bus, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, bus station. Why do we need this bus station, children? Why do we need buses? Bus station help us to move from one place to another place. Okay? Children, repeat with me. Hospital. Hospital. SCHOOL. School. PARK. Park. POLICE. Police. STATION. Station. Police station. MARKET. Market. POST Post. O F F I C E. Office. Post office. B A N K. Bank. B U S. Bus. S T A T I O N. Station. Bus station. Okay. Next, identify these places and you have to write their names. Identify these places and write their names. First one. Can you tell me this place? Children, can you see this picture? Okay, which place is this? Identify. Yes. School. Yes. C H O O L. School. Repeat with me. Yes. C H O O L. School. Second one. Children, tell me which place is this? Okay, good. Hospital. H O. Say with me. Yes. P I T A L. Hospital. Say with me. H O S P I T A L. Hospital. See the third picture. Identify this picture, children. Yes, correct. Bank is a bank where we keep money. B A N K. Bank. B A N K. Bank. Then see the fourth picture. What is this? Which place is this, children? We go to have fun. We play on slides, swings, seesaws. Yes or no? Which place is this? Identify. Yes. Park. Is a park. P A R K. Park. Say with me. P A R K. Park. Then fifth picture. Identify this picture. Huh? Yes. Bus station. Very good. B U S. Bus. S T A T I O N. Bus station. Very good. Next. Sixth one. Can you tell me which place is this? We send letters to our friends and relatives. Which place is this? Yes. Post office. P O S T. Post. O F F I C E. Post office. First one is school. Second one is hospital. Third one is bank. Fourth one is park. Fifth one is bus station. And sixth one is post office. Read the clues. Read the clues and identify Read the clues and identify the neighborhood. The neighborhood service. Okay. You have to read the clues and identify the neighborhood service. First one. My mother, Mother, mother wants to buy buy vegetables. My mother wants to buy vegetables. Read the clue. My mother wants to buy vegetables. Where she will go to buy vegetables? Yes, she will go to the market. Very good. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. My mother wants to buy vegetables. She will go to the market. Very good. Next. Second one. My G-R-A-N, the grandfather is sick. My grandfather is sick. Where should I take to him? If my grandfather is sick, where should I take to him? Yes, hospital. I take him to the hospital. 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 My grandfather is sick. I will take to him to the hospital. Correct. Next. Third one. My father wants to deposit money. My father wants to deposit money. Where he will go? My father wants to deposit money. He will go to the bank. Very good. He will go to the bank. My father wants to deposit money. He will go to the bank. Next. Fourth one. I want to buy a postcard. I want to buy a postcard. Where I should go? Yes, I should go to the post office. Very good. P-O-S-T. Post. O-F-I-C-E. Post office. If I want to buy a postcard, I will go to the post office. Good. Then the last one, fifth one. My friend, my friend, my friend has lost his phone. My friend has lost his phone. Where he will go? Yes, to give the complaint, he will go to the police station. My friend has lost his phone. He will go to the police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. My friend has lost his phone. He will go to the police station. Say with me, children, once again. My mother wants to buy vegetables. She will go to the market. My grandfather is sick. He will go to the hospital. My father wants to deposit money. He will go to the bank. I want to buy a postcard. I will go to the post office. My friend has lost his phone. He will go to the police station. Next. Next one is yes or no. You have to write yes or no. Okay. First one. We go to police station. We go to police station to buy fruits. To buy fruits. Yes or no? We go to police station to buy fruits. Is this the correct statement? No. Then which is the correct statement? We go to the market to buy fruits. Next, second one. Do not play on the road. Do not play on the road. Yes or no? Yes. It is a correct statement. Do not play on the road. Yes. We should not play on the road. Yes. Then third one. We go to the We go to the hospital. We go to the hospital when we are sick. We go to the hospital when we are sick. Yes or no? We go to the hospital when we are sick. Yes. Good. Next, fourth one. We should play. We should play with sharp objects like scissors, then knife. We should play with sharp objects. Yes or no? Should we play with sharp objects? No, we should play with sharp objects. No, we should not play with sharp objects. Then fifth one. We keep our money. We keep our money. We keep our money in a bank. Yes or no? We keep our money in a bank. Yes, we keep our money in a bank. Say with me, children. We go to police station to buy fruits. Yes or no? No. We go to the market to buy fruits. Then, do not play on the road. Yes or no? Yes, we should not play on the road. We go to the hospital when we are sick. Yes or no? Yes, we go to the hospital when we are sick. We should play with sharp objects. No, we should not play with the sharp objects. We keep our money in a bank. Yes or no? Yes. I hope you have understood this chapter. See you in the next session. Thank you.